coating on, and it all disappears.
We're at the 37th annual Home Expression Show, and it's at the Winnipeg Convention Centre from March 31st to April 3rd, and it takes over the entire building at the Winnipeg Convention Centre. Lots of things going on. We've got speakers all weekend on our lifestyle stage presented by Portage Cartage and Storage, and we have our biggest feature coming to the show is Mike Holmes, and he'll be with us Friday night at 7 and again Saturday at 1.
This is our third year in being involved in the Home Expression Show. It's 4 days of the biggest and best and the newest of the year for backyard patio. We have a number of builders here.
They're fabulous to work with. We're really thrilled. We're the first show in Canada that they've actually partnered with. So it's a good year. We invite everybody to come out. It's going to be a great year.
It's a buzz right before the rush. It gets everybody who's been anticipating spring. They want to do something, they want to get outside, and it's a great venue for everybody to come, see what's new, plan ahead, a few weeks ahead, and get the projects going.
And people are just so excited when they see the snow gone, and when they can walk in here and they can smell the garden, they can see the gardens, and people are very passionate about their gardens. It's something I think people love to do. It's a lot of work, but for most people it's kind of their serenity, their place they can go to just kind of relax, and I think it's the pleasure of seeing something grow from nothing. So I think it's something very, very important to Manitobans.